Happy Thursday. Been packing all day. I'm hungry. I'm going to get me something to eat, okay?
Okay. Happy Saturday. Hello, everyone. How are you doing today? My name is Kidneyjay. The J stands for jerk because my kidneys are a pair of jerks. And this is a pink fairy video, y'all. So this one she uploaded, I believe, yesterday. And it was called Answering Questions You Have Been Asking. So we're going to review it. I, of course, chop it down. It was, I think, like 17 minutes, and I chopped it down to 7. I got rid of all of her meaningless memes at the end. You know how I do. And we're going to review it. So let's just get to it. It's a long one. Buckle up, giddy up. I don't know. Ride a cowboy. Whatever you do, it's a long one. Let's go.
I'm just going to make me a turkey sandwich, though.
Okay. So I took this, zoomed in here because this is not to shame. This is not to make fun of anything or anyone. Just an educational moment here. So those are skin tags. Ladies, gentlemen, if you all of a sudden, wake up one morning and you have more tags than like Sears, then you need to get that shit checked out. So they can be, research shows, it can be a sign of insulin resistance. You have too much insulin in your blood. So might be early warning signs of type 2 diabetes. I said diabetes. Diabetes, which of course we know our fair pink fairy here has. As well, it can be indicator of certain hormonal imbalances. Pregnant women might get them, or you might have something going on with your lady bit. So get that shit checked out. There you go. PSA. Let's move on. Oh, sorry, that's unflattering.
Just some classic turkey. Oh. I just packed up all my pocketbooks. Tim made me a shelf and hung in there in our walk-in closet. Hung in there and I had all my pocketbooks hanging on. I'll show you guys it after I make my sandwich, okay?
Spoiler alert, she doesn't show us her pocketbooks. She does show us lots of food. And the questions, by the way, not answered till the end. And probably not the questions that she was asked. Also, I do have questions to her answers. Just saying.
I haven't really ate nothing today but 5 little mini donuts, so I'm hungry. I'm kind of hungry.
Why are you just living on 5 mini donuts?
We'll do some stuff this weekend, I think. And fully move, hopefully next weekend. So yeah, there's still some more packing to do. Still a lot more things I can do. Tim's getting some nails out of the walls because we're going to have to, putty those before we paint it. Like that. He's working on. Hayley swept the mops already.
Okay, tell me, I think I nitpicked about this before. Who spreads their mail with a spatula? I just want to know, leave a comment down below if you are, an offender of this. I won't judge you. I won't block you. I might ignore you, but just let me know if you actually, spread your condiments with a spatula. As well, those disposable plates for good china really bothers me. Just wash the dishes. Like, you have to wash that spatula anyways. Yeah, so that's all I have to say about that.
Today, and I did most of our closet. 2 loads of laundry, got that done. Last one's in the dryer. So yeah, we just been cooking along here. But I will show you guys my pocketbook stuff. I've been meaning to go through the pocketbook stuff, but I just what, I'm gonna wait. I got some really old ones. I love cheese.
She always does that. She can't help herself but take a nibble of the cheese. She does it when she does the pizza too, which will come later. I do have a question though. So how come all of her vlogs, all food, all the time, but she just says all the stuff she did, like laundry, cleaning out the closet for her pocketbooks, all the stuff she does, but we never see it on the vlogs. Just innocently asking a question like only Kidneyjay can, by the way. If you're new here, hit subscribe, and if you want, hit the like. It helps me out.
So, I bought this for mine this time. It's already single cut for me and everything. I love it when it's cut already. just so much easier to eat. You know what I mean? I take this hard piece off in the middle. Voila. Cut, wash for you, whatever. I haven't decided in there, so I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to figure out something here in a minute based on probably should have done have some meat now. Probably should have done.
Okay, I have no idea what she's saying here. Guys, listen. I repeated it a few times. Tell me if you can understand what she's saying, because it's some pure Pekingese. Like, I don't... Let's listen.
Based on probably should have done have some meat now. Probably should have done have some meat now. Probably should have done have some meat now.
Parmesan gonna have me now? I don't know.
So, I'm going to sit down and eat this. Hi guys, happy Friday. Look at it pouring the rain. We're getting some rain this month, I tell you. It's a pouring. Look at the garden over there. Oh, our house is starting to look emptier and emptier, isn't it? I got that all cleaned out over there.
That is a beautiful house, by the way. I'll just say that.
Become more empty. Yay. Yay. There, I cleaned it for y'all. I'm craving pizza, so guess what? I'm going to have me a low-carb flat wrap pizza.
Oh, okay.
I got some sauce the other day. You guys seen me make these before. Oh, they're so delicious. Oh, you can't have all that crust like I'm not supposed to have. Not supposed to have, but sometimes I do. And then I put some turkey pepperoni.
Of course, she has to cut the carbs, especially the refined carbs, because of her diabetes. You know, doesn't want to spike that blood sugar. But she says sometimes she goes all out and she has all the crust. Not gonna lie, I would probably eat one of these low-carb pizzas, and I'm like a carb fiend. Not diabetic, just putting that out there, but I would eat this.
And we'll do a few bacon bits I got left. You can also put mushrooms and bell pepper and onion on these too if you want.
Oh, I would. I put some olives on it.
But we'll do some bell peppers, some already cut up.
Oh, fridge peep. Lots of apples. That's good. Yogurt, it looks like. What else? Come on, show us. There's carrots. Pepperonis.
Pepperonis. Yes. 2 of them open, so we'll put those together. Someone probably didn't realize that.
Parmesan, shaky cheese, plastic flakes.
Okay, you guys, so let's get started.
Yes, let's get started.
A few questions that people have been dying to know. Are we taking our appliances? No, they're going to go with the house. Do we own this place? Yes, we do. Are we... Oh, piece cheesy. Are we... If we own it, are we going to sell it? We're debating. We might rent it. We might know someone that wants to live in it.
Okay, so just people who are new, just catching up. So they are moving out of this place to go to a trailer that she went to a lot or grew up in when she was younger. That does not add up to me. Why would you... By the way, she says she owns this as well, outright. Why would you do that? I don't know. I'm just asking. Doesn't make much sense. She also said that they are not taking the appliances.
Don't know yet. So your guess is as good as ours. Why are we moving? Mm-hmm. One thing, we want the country. Next thing, where we're moving to was given to me from family. Not Tim's family. So a couple of you have assumed that Tim's mom lived there. No, she did not. Tim's mom was in a nursing home, and she had been for 7 years or something like that when she passed away.
Okay, so she inherited this property or this trailer By the way, she has been showing the renovations of the trailer. I've heard rumors of black mold. If you want me to review one of those, let me know and leave the title of the video you want me to review down below, and I'll do that. By the way, Tim is her husband, or she says Tim is her husband. I'm not going to get into that.
I was on my side of the family. My dad's side, actually. I just love it there. I mean, I was there as a child, growing up, off and on. It was, like I said, it's passed down to us, to me. And of course, Tim now too, because he's my husband. We're around all of our family. Some of Tim's family, some of my family. And we just want to move out of here. We're just done here. When we originally got this place and moved in here anyways, it was just like a starter home. Yes, Hayley's excited to switch schools. Yes, Hayley's excited to go. And Hayley's been so excited. She's been moving, packing, and doing all kinds of things because she's ready. So yeah, she's very excited to get.
That seems like a lot of cheese for one low-carb tortilla. Just saying. Just saying. Some of these girls, they got a cheese problem. They got problems with the, bovine excretions.
On. Just like the rest of us. Can't really think of any more questions that people's been asking. So hopefully, y'all that's asked those questions watches this video. So there's a lot of people ask questions that I've said in my video. They just
I can't help notice but what's resting on the counter.
watch all my videos. And
Why is that a thing? Anyways, I sped up this pizza making process because this is the end of it. So basically, those were the questions she chose to answer. Whether you believe her or not is up to you. So they are moving out. They are going to the trailer. By the way, the trailer is not mobile as far as I know. I don't know. I'm not sure. She gives, I guess, some pros. She's near family. They want to be in the country. Now, her daughter, of course, would have to relocate schools. I don't know. She said her daughter is all for it, all happy about that. I'm not sure how, if I were a teenager, how thrilled I would be about moving to a trailer in the country, having to start a new school. That's me. Just saying. This pizza, like I said, I'd get down on that for sure. A little too much cheese for your girl, but that's it. I know this was a longer one than usual. I appreciate you guys sticking by me, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.